You know that feeling you get when things just magically work? And you're like,
wow.
Yes! Well, that's Salesforce. It's
like when my barista knows exactly how I take my chai teas.
Or that I like my hotel room set to 82 degrees.
Yeah, that's what it feels like.
Like when I get upgraded to a seat in first class.
And being a super fan gets me a VIP pass!
Yes! That is what it feels like.
Like when my car books itself to go to the shop.
And I get early access to a hot new sneaker drop.
Like when I'm on hold and there's no way to make it stop.
No, Gary, that is not what it feels like.
Oh, great.
Wow your customers in a whole new way with Salesforce.